guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Time we have on a day, morning, afternoon, evening. Quickly, I just at the verse because in this society where most of our people don't agree key to the truth, they piss me off. Seriously, they piss me off. Korra is not a thing to be celebrated. Seriously, Korra is bringing abject ridicule to our culture, to us as black people. Worldwide. If Korra want act porn, make she go act porn movie. She want to become a responsible housewife, she should be one. So, what is here today they talk today? Here today, now you they talk that word, I've been a spirit they talker. Are you not celebrating nudity? Celebrating mediocrity? You know ramification, I never expected that from you. I hold you in high esteem. What was that you said this morning? Not holding brief for Lola or whoever, but what is wrong is wrong. What is good is good. Even go to the level of celebrating a Ikea queen, the Ikea slave, celebrating that she came with herself. No, what is wrong, my sister. Don't come here to tell us this trash, this rubbish. And this position of so much adulterous women around will not be holding brief, trying to support or use smooth words to kind of talk to these people. We have to tell them as bluntly as it is. That's what it is. What is wrong is wrong. We need to tell them bluntly as it is. As it is, it got to be told to them bluntly that they should change from their evil way. This satanic euphoria, this satanic tsunami that is coming, the women want to take power, to take adultery, to kill their men. You think it's going to is a thing? I've never seen that God talk the way Frank Victor they talk. I never seen that God talk the way they talk. It's a stigma, it's a cancer that we, the men of substance and caliber, should come out to condemn. Not celebrating any idiot that have that assistant to do it, which Korra is just exhibiting. What is Korra doing in Nigeria today? What is bigger than her 2 kids? A video shoot? Why can't that video shoot wait? What can she do the video shoot in America? Licky by one, I beg you, I verse for you. We could not fight again. We will fight for Obaseki. Obaseki ever see her. See as it be now. When that time I turn and say Obaseki don't come, it's not going to give us any good thing. When I say what he and Omofuma they talk. But what is happening today is not demolition. You don't care. Everybody that work for you put all of that to the background. So, in all due respect, Lolo is not a bully. I'm not holding brief for Lolo, not holding brief for nobody. Lolo don't want friend. I don't want to be a friend to her, but on this those sabbats, if I see what they wrong, I go talk her. I'm not trying to make friend with Lolo, let the organic nation come be my friend. No, I'm good on my own. But what is wrong is wrong. What did this girl they do for Nigeria now? They eat pepper soup. They show up Nigeria food. Then some gullible people are perplexed. They are amazed by the food. They dance. They shake yash. They leave 2 kids for America. I beg my people, make una be careful, because anyhow I be, if I call sit down, call the fire, the way I fire for Baseki, you know good though. If I call fire for this gullible adulterous women, no good though. From Victor they do now, I just they look at. If I call put my own joint, you know good. Because these women, they are turning to something else. They want to turn to something else. They want to take the power. It's like a demonic satanic coup. They want to become the men, which is not the order of nature. The men are the supreme being that has been ordained by God. So what are these women trying to do? It baffles me that these women got weaklings, committing half upon the weaklings they called husbands. And if somebody speak, they will say violence, violence. If you can manage, marriage is toxic. No, papa marriage and no mama marriage not toxic pass. All this is what people just they take today to take advantage because of the Western world. They will come violence, toxic. If you cannot stay, this is marriage is about coexistence and patience. Which doctrine do they teach? What satanic doctrine do they teach today to destroy the institution that has been ordained by God? Are you trying to topple God? God will create marriage as a sacred institution that is about patience, it's about tolerance, it's about understanding. For 40 years I've not reached to understand marriage. Marriage is a thing of school. It takes a lifetime. But now, without patience, when you come out, if it is toxic, you cannot stay. Go. You want to use myopic thinking to destroy God designed for us as humans. What is wrong with you people? Because I never see that go talk to narcissists. It's just they look all of them and they laugh. If I see that come out to my face, I will beat anybody beatable. Anybody beatable with a stupid myopic idea. I'm going to beat that person without no husband. Because I'm a very busy man. I just do one small. If I talk camera for us, I just do one. I just talk her who get here may here. But some of them think so that they give us those devilish philosophy. They teach us evil things. Korra, they shake yash, they open yash, even content. From our culture, nakedness is not the content. It's a taboo. So don't come on air to support evil. Don't come on here to say this guy come out, he can't do content. That is absolutely wrong for everyone to come. Don't ever say it anymore. I'm angry. When I saw your video, I was pissed off. I said this one I lick it by being as somebody. The disguise in your page, they talk as you. What was that all about? It was sad. God have mercy. What did they do now? People at the call of all of them are shower now. I shall know they think where. Now say they don't insult women. But when I think it's not good. When I think it's not good. When I think they're wrong. When I think it's not good. Now they think where. What is bad is bad. You cannot come on air to promote easy. Neither will you come on air to promote a Korra. Even if the husband come out 1 week, you know what the husband passed through? Emotional pain can make a man come, just talk it in. But at the end of the day, the man came out to apologize. It was emotional. Stress he was passing through. You know what that man passed through? Love now somebody break him on a cutter. They support evil. They support evil. The next thing, when somebody the correct person, you come on air, on our cyberspace, to say that person is a bully. I am 100% against that your video this morning. 100% against it. Nobody's a bully trying to control somebody that have heard. Nobody's a bully. If you like talk a billion times, if you call Lola a bully, what do you call Monica? They're just woman that didn't bring DNA over the years. My sister, I'm not the double standard. This is the Christmas period. I just want to chill, do my Christmas peacefully. But even now, draw me out, come to camera for my face, come to give all of them one by one. No good for now because I the still na character no good. It they ooze the smell because with anything good come out of something that is bad. Now what you they tell us because it's like that depression, that cancerous, adulterous, prostitution life where some of them pass through, refuse to live una. No matter what, the stigma is still there, the post-trauma is still there, affecting some of them reasoning. That's my submission, my conclusion from the home of equality and justice. Who asks is being God? I don't give a fuck. I'm pissed off with you people.